Ever thought of making a sandwich that's crazy good? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to a delightful and indulgent journey of creating the Crazy Egg Supreme sandwich. It's a fantastic blend of eggs, bacon, cheese, avocado, and a variety of other flavorful ingredients. Sounds delicious, right? First off, gather your ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 4 toasted English muffins, 4 slices of crispy bacon, 4 slices of Swiss or cheddar cheese, 1 sliced avocado, 1 medium sliced tomato, fresh lettuce leaves, and sriracha mayo. Don't forget salt, pepper, and butter for cooking the eggs. Kick off the process by preparing the eggs. In a non-stick pan, melt a bit of butter over medium heat. Crack those eggs into the pan and cook them to your liking. Fried, scrambled, or poached. It's your choice. Season them with salt and pepper. Now, it's time to build the sandwiches. Start with a slice of cheese on the bottom half of each toasted English muffin. Top it with the cooked eggs, crispy bacon, avocado slices, tomato slices, and fresh lettuce leaves. Feeling spicy? Drizzle some sriracha mayo over the ingredients. This is where you can adjust the heat according to your preference. And finally, top it off with the remaining half of the toasted English muffins. Voila! Your Crazy Egg Supreme sandwich is ready. Serve it immediately while the eggs are still warm. Now here's a bonus tip. If you want to take it to the next level, you can add extras like sliced jalapenos, red onion rings, or a sprinkle of your favorite herbs. This Crazy Egg Supreme sandwich is not just a sandwich, it's an experience. It combines the richness of eggs, the crispiness of bacon, the creaminess of avocado, and the freshness of vegetables. All these elements come together to create one crazy good bite. Whether it's breakfast, brunch, or a random snack time, this indulgent sandwich is perfect for any moment you're in the mood for a flavorful treat. So go ahead, give it a try, and relish the taste of this crazy good sandwich.